In this video, I want to show you how to connect and also how to use to transfer files between your Samsung Galaxy A26 or A36 and a USB drive. So let's get started. So the phone has a USB Type-C port right over here, the one that you use to charge, and there's no other port to connect your USB drive. So this USB drive over here has a USB Type-C connector, you see, and also a USB Type-A connector. So if your USB drive only has a USB Type-A, like this one, you'll need obviously an adapter. The adapter needs to be OTG, so it's able to transfer data as well. So I'll put a link in the description if you don't already have one. So you'll have to connect the USB drive over here, oops, sorry, and the other end in your Samsung phone. But since this USB drive is USB Type-C, and I'll put a link towards one that is like this one, I can connect it directly. Now it's important to know that your phone is not compatible with all formats. I'll put on the screen a screenshot right now of the compatibility list. So the USB drive needs to be formatted in one of those if you want to use it. So once it's connected, power on your phone, and what we need to do now is to go into an app that is already installed on your phone. You don't need to download anything. That is called Files. You may not see it on the display here, so swipe up from the bottom to see all your apps, and from here you're going to tap over here. You're going to tap on Samsung, and from here you're going to select My Files, and this will open. Now to see everything that is on your USB drive, you're going to select USB storage over here, or if your USB drive has another name, it may appear under another name. Tap on it, and here you go. This is everything that is included on this USB drive. So you can go ahead, open any pictures, any videos and stuff like that. If you want to transfer something from here to there or from the phone to the USB drive, it's very easy. So let's say, let me check my USB drive. So let's say I want to transfer a picture. Well, if the picture is on the USB drive, you're going to find it over here. If the picture is on your phone, on the My File app, you're going to go in Images or Videos if it's a video. Once you found the file you want to transfer, press on it, and you're going to have a check mark. You can check as many files as you wish. Let's say I want to transfer these from this USB drive to the phone. I'll go over here and I'll select Copy. And now it's time to select in which folder you want to copy these files. So these were on the USB drive, so I'm here and I want to copy them on the internal storage of the phone. Obviously, you can also do the contrary, from internal to USB storage. And over here, I'll select any folder that I want these to copy, and I'll select Copy here. And you're going to get copy completed. You can select, oops, show in folder. I wasn't quick enough to see these files. Let me go back on your phone. So if I go in internal storage over here, in my documents, here you go. These are the files I have transferred from my USB drive to the phone. So I can simply disconnect the drive once the transfer has been completed. Now it may tell you over here, as you saw, that a USB storage device was removed unsafely. Prevent your phone from restarting unexpectedly. Save, unsave that. You're not obligated, all right? You can simply remove the key as I did. I did it so many times and I never lost a file. This is just Samsung trying to protect itself by saying that you need to restart your phone, but you're not obligated to do so. So this is it. I hope my tutorial was helpful. If so, please leave a like. Also comment down below if it worked, or if you have anything to share with me, type a comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.